Hi Scorpio, welcome back to my channel Little Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your weekly love reading for the month of November. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, you can take guideline from these readings. And if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. And for covering every area of your love life, I will use this pattern. This is easy for both of us to understand what is happening in your love life and in your person's love life. What is their current feelings? What is their current situation? Okay, Scorpio, let's get started. What are the Scorpio person's feeling, attention, and thinking towards Scorpio? What are the Scorpio person's feeling, thinking, and attentions towards Scorpio? What are the Scorpio person's feeling, thinking, and attentions towards Scorpio? And we are having here Eight of Pentacles, Three of Cups, Page of Cups, Strength. So, what are the Scorpio's feelings toward this person? What are the Scorpio's feelings toward this person? What are the Scorpio's feelings toward this person? And we are having here Eight of Wands, Nine of Swords, Ten of Cups, the World. So, what are the mutual energies? What are the mutual energies? Queen of Cups, Two of Swords. Okay, these are your cards and sign that would relate to your person. It could be any Leo with this strength, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Eight of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Ten of Cups, Page of Cups, and Three of Cups, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Two of Swords, Nine of Swords, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Eight of Wands. Okay, Scorpio, let's talk about your person's feeling first. And your person feel like that, like they want to, this is their attentions, like they want to work on this connection with you. And they think like that, like you are celebrating with your friends, and maybe another possibility, there is some kind of a third party involved, and you are like with your friends and family in a party mood and going to the parties, and having attraction and eye contact and that bouquet effects. Like this is what this person is feel towards you, like lights, under the lights you are like staring at someone and someone maybe is staring at you, like that kind of feelings. That's what I am getting from this card right now. This person feel like that you are like in a party mood, and you someone attracts towards you. They some kind of slight insecurity in this person, and they want to work on this connection with you. You know what, the way you are strong, the way you like totally control your feelings, under your control. They feel like that you are in a control. You are not showing them what is in your mind, what is in your heart, and they are like, they feel like that you are so like straightforward and strict toward them. You don't have any feelings toward this person, and this person can feel that you're not so cold, not so hard, just it's, they feel like that you are under control. They can feel your strength. This is what they can feel, and they think like that you are like casually, normally, like happily, like in your family, in your friends and in your family, you are moving forward in your life. They're getting that kind of feel from you right now, and they want to offer you love. This is their emotions. They want to offer their feelings. They want to offer their feeling and emotions towards you. Little bit immaturity, and maybe they feel so like nervous and puzzled in front of you. They feel so young when they are around you, and they feel like that you have a complete control on your feelings, and there is some kind of attraction and eye contacts, and under the lights, like they feel like that. And in your side there is like you are in a little bit, Scorpio, there is some kind of fears. You are afraid of someone, or you like not, it's just like sleepless and restless. You are so restless right now, you're sleepy, You are not sleeping well, your health is like not so good. You should take care of your health, and you should uh, take uh, take care of your sleep. But you are like right now sleepless, and there is some kind of nightmares, and you will talk to this person, you will send a text message or maybe call this person, and you want this 10 of cups in your life. You want completion, you want a happy marriage, you want a like complete family, like you want happiness in your life, you want completion of love in your life. You want this 10 of cups, you deserve, Scorpio, you deserve. And something is complete between both of you. Something is, a cycle is complete. And now there is, when something is completed, and you are at that point where you about to start another cycle, about to start another journey, and you feel so like this nine of sword, like a little bit anxiety, depression, worries, thinkings, overthinkings, and like you are so keep thinking and thinking about at a center point. You stuck, your mind, your thinkings stuck on a certain point, and you feel so restless. Like this is your current situation, Scorpio, and you will talk to this person, send some kind of text messages, you will talk to them like rapid, or maybe this person, another possibility, this person will talk to you and send you text message, and you want completion of love in your life, and there is something is completed. And in mutual energies, Scorpio, this person feel like that you are paying attention on yourself, and you are so real, you are so like this queen of pentacle, you are so stable. You are not like a just teenager and careless. You are totally like responsible, you are paying attention on yourself, you are working on yourself, you are so divine. They can feel towards you. And also there is another possibility, this person is paying attention to their self, this person working on themselves just to make the way you want them to be your ideal. Like this person is working on their self to be your ideal. Like I can say that this possibility because of this eight of pentacles, and they love, they want to offer this love to you, and they are a little bit feel like that you are not paying attention on them, you are busy in your life. That's why I can say that this person is also work on themselves just to make themselves the way your ideal, the way you deserve, the way you want them to be. They are working on this thing, and the total in their notice what you want, what you deserve, they are working on it. And two of swords, you are like using your head over your heart, and you right now toward this person totally like cutting this person off, and you are not taking any drama or any manipulation from this person. You are like judging this person on the parameter of logic, not just not, you are not drawn into your feelings. You are using your mind in this situation and analyzing and connecting to your inner self. So let's see what else we have for you, Scorpio. What else for Scorpio? What else for Scorpio? What else for Scorpio? What else for Scorpio? And we are having here Three of Wands, Ace of Swords, and as an outcome, Seven of Wands. And Scorpio, this person want to travel towards you. This person want to see you really badly, or maybe they will sneak into your party, or maybe try to chase you, want to offer you love. They are working on themselves. They are feeling these feelings towards you, like you are so strong. You have a complete control over your feelings, and this person want to see you. This person want to talk to you, like table talk. This person is analyzing you from distance with this Three of Wands. Definitely this person totally analyzing you from distance, and you want a new beginning in your life. You don't want this Nine of Soul in your life anymore, like this anxiety, sleepless, stressless nights, and overthinking, and keep thinking on a certain point because of this person. You don't want that in your life, and that's why you are want to have a new beginning, even with like a warrior, and this is your victory. You are entering this Ace of a Sword energy, and in the result, as an outcome, Seven of Wands, you will like back off. Hey, you are like that. You are pushing this person away, you are standing up for yourself, and you pushing this person away. You are fighting back. You are like fighting against this person silently. This is a seven of wands. You are not going to take this person back. You are not going to take this person's any manipulation, lies, drama, BS. You are not taking anything. You are just like back off. You don't want this person. You are pushing this person away. You are like fighting against this person inside and out. You are totally like fighting against this person. So let's see what message from your angel. What message from your angel in this situation, Scorpio? Okay, Isabella. Yes, the timing is right for this new venture. A happy outcome follows your positive acceptations. Such a beautiful message from your angel, and this is so relevant. This is an indication for you. Yes, go for this. Go for this. This is a message from your angel. So let's see what advice messages I should have for you, Scorpio. Don't give up. Give yourself space. No need to fix. Need to accept. Scream out your pain instead of overthinking or being restless. Scream out your pain. These are a few advice messages I should have for you. And the summary of your reading is this person is feel like that you have a complete control on yourself, and this person is analyzing you from distance, and you are a little bit in anxiety and depression. You want completion in your life, completion of love, and you want a new beginning in your life. And in upcoming days you feel like that you totally cut off this person and you push away. You fighting against this person, you pushing this person away. You can feel that. These are few summary of your reading. Hope this helpful for you. If it helpful for you, you can support my channel. Thank you so much for your time and your attention. God bless you. Bye.